Welcome to this comprehensive YouTube video lesson on mastering essential formatting tools in Microsoft Word, where we're going to explore on page numbering, page break, header and footer, and then hyperlinks. These features are essential for producing documents that are orderly and professional. So let's get started. For documents to be professional, organized, and easy to navigate, page numbers are crucial. You can insert page number in Microsoft Word using a variety of forms, including top, bottom, or centered. The page number option under the insert menu makes this operation easier. Check this out. Okay guys, this is our Microsoft Office application window, and what we want to do is to add the page number to this document. So let's have this round open or close. And let me copy this. Presently I'm working with only a single page, that's 1 of 1. So let me just make it 2 page. Okay, so I have this done. And what we want to do now is to have page number here. Okay, like to have a page number here, down here, and we can also add a page number up here. So I'm going to start with the page number above. Okay, that's at the top. So all you need to do is to go to your insert, which is this place, and locate the header and footer group. Then click on page number. So in the page number, we have different options. We have top of page, we have bottom page, we have page margin, we have current position. So you just go to up of page. On the upper page, we have different samples. Okay, we have plain number to the right, to the left, to the center. So all we need to do now is to try the 3. So we have it like this. For you to change it and bring it to the right, all you need to do is to still go under your insert and click on page number, and on the top of page, take it to the right here. Okay, it will be on the right. For you to still do that to the middle, you still go to page number, on the top of page, click on the middle. You have it in the middle. Then for the bottom, what you need to do is you go under your insert, then on the page, let's remove this one. Okay, then go back to bottom of page and click on here, bottom of page. Okay, this is to the left, just like what we did for the top page numbering. So this is to the middle, and this is to the right. So let's keep it in the middle. Here is it. So this is in normal numbering. Okay, you have 1, but this we have number 1, that's page 1. We have page 2. So let me add more text. I need 3 pages, and we're going to use it for something very important. So I'm adding this up. So I have 3 pages now. Okay, let it be 3 pages. All right, 3 pages. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this normal numbering to Roman numbers. So for us to add Roman numerals, all we need to do is to still maintain our insert and go back to page, then go down to format page number and click on the format page. We have our drop downs here, then you click on this, then click on what? Okay, that's all. One thing I love about this is we have different samples that you can use for your page numbering. For example, if you go under your page number and click on your bottom of page, the same thing to the top of the page. Okay, so when you click on the bottom of the page and hover around here and scroll down, what you have is different samples here. For example, this, you have 1 page, you have 2 page written in the written form. Okay, you have page 1, you have like PG1. Yeah, we have different formats. For example, this, you see, then still on it, you have different formats. For example, let me just scroll down. You have something like this. You can make your page look like this. For example, when you want to print, see how it looks like. Okay, let's scroll down. What do you see? So the same thing, you can still go and we have different formats. You can just check for the format that you think will be very, very okay for you to use. So we have different formats here, like this too. So at times you might love to start your number not from 1, maybe you want to start it from 5 or from 10 or 15. So how can you do that? It's very, very simple. The only thing you need to do is to go still under your page numbering and go to format page number. Then on the page numbering, just click on start at. Then if you want it to start at page 10, we don't have up to 10 pages. We only have 3 pages here. So I want you to start from 10 pages. So all I need to do is under my start at, I'll just go down here and write 10 and click on OK. So if you just go down, I get downward, even from my navigation, or if you observe, it's showing 10 page. Okay, now just check the scroll bar. I'm trying to navigate downward. You see page 10. I wasn't having up to 10 pages. I don't even have up to 10 pages, but I'm having 10 pages here. So let me just navigate downward. You see this is supposed to be page 1, okay? This is supposed to be page 2, and this is supposed to be page 3. When I'm having page 10, 11, and page 12. So just take your time, go through the page numbering under the header and footer, and assess all the features under it, and I guess it will help you in your productivity. Let's move to the next one. Page breaks serve as a vital role in maintaining document structure and readability. They help control where content begins and ends on each page. Check this out. So for the page break, we are going to divide this document. I have 5 pages here. We are going to divide it into 2. The first 2 pages will have like preliminary pages, okay? So they should have Roman numerals like I and II, okay? Then the other ones should have normal numbering. So how can we do that? Just go to insert, then go to page number and go to format. And under format, change the number format to Roman numerals, then leave it as continued from previous section. It's okay. And click on it. Okay. So you have it like this. Okay. If it didn't appear, just go back and click on it, like bottom of the page, click on it, it will appear. Okay. So after that, if you check from here, we have 5 pages and it's 5. So we want this one to be normal numbering. So what you need to do, this should be number 3, 5 will be number 3, 4 will be number 2, then the third one is supposed to be number 1. So for you to do that, you go back to your second page. This is the second page. Yeah, you go back to the second page and the last line in the second page here after this full stop. All you need to do is to go to page layout, locate under page setup, go to page breaks, this place, this break here. Then if you check under the section of breaks, you see next page, and the content under it is insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So when you click on this, you will have 2 different work in one document. So but still, if you observe, the numbers do not change. But since we have a new section inside the same document, what you need to do is to go back to your inserts. From this point, that's page 3, you go back to your insert. You want this page 3 to be page 1. So you go back to insert and go to page number, then format page numbers. And under numbers format, use the normal numbering, okay? Then click on start at and let it be 1. Then click on OK. So you see, this is Roman numeral 2. Then we're supposed to have Roman numeral 3 in this one, but let's see what we're having now. We're having 1. Okay, so this is the simplest way for you to do this. So let's go to the next one. Headers and footers provide a consistent area at the top and bottom of each page, offering space to include essential details like page numbers, document titles, dates, and author information. They contribute to the document structure, brand identity, and navigation. So here that mostly I used to keep some relevant information, maybe about the organization, their title, some kind of brand, some kind of stuff like that. So what you need to do is to just go under your insert, go on the header and footer. I'm going to talk about the header because the header and footer is the same thing. The only difference is because the footer is at the bottom and the header is at the top. Okay, upload documents. I'm transferring this to white, so can select it, transform it to white color. Then the document here, the institute, maybe so you have it down like this. Take it to uppercase and select everything and increase the size to make it bold. So you have it in this document. That's your first page. You also have it in your second page. You don't have to write in your first, come back to this one. No, we won't have to do that. Like the header is faint a little more than the main document. No, something like that. When you want to print, you'll see it very okay. You want to print, okay? So you see it very dark. It's not like this. So you can do the same to the footer and you have your work done. Let's take the next one. Creating hyperlinks is straightforward, allowing you to embed clickable links within your document. Hyperlinks are bridges that connect a different part of a document or link to external resources. They allow readers to quickly access relevant information, website, or communicate via emails. Now, I can create a bookmark, maybe on the last page. Like, okay, I'll name it towards the last page. So hope you've seen this. Come to last page, and this is the last page. This is page 5. So what I will do now is I'll go to bookmark. Okay, I will just write down towards last page. Now add it together and I'll click add. Okay, so when you select this and you go back to your bookmark, you can just add it up. Okay, you can just add it up and go back to the first page. Now this is a link that will take me last page. So for example, you just select this, go back to your hyperlink, your bookmark, which is this one, click on it and click on OK. So when you press Ctrl and this, it will take you to here, current last page. Okay, so this is how hyperlinks works. And for external resources, you can still go under your hyperlink. All this is found in the insert tab. There's then project work. You can just click on it. Okay, so I have Ben project work here. Immediately I just click, it's under my C drive. Immediately I click on it, it will take me to my C drive. You just have to yes, click on yes, then click on OK. The next part of it here, you can still place it like in your current folder. If you want to open something like maybe this CorelDRAW folder, you just click on OK. So press your control button, you left click on it, it will take you to the folder, CorelDRAW folder. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.